There's something about a gaming PC that just sparks the imagination, isn't there? It's more than wires and wattage. It's a portal to new worlds, epic wins, creative breakthroughs and memories that you're going to talk about for years. And that's why we build each system like it's the only one that exists. Every rig is crafted for the individual, their taste, their goals, and even their favourite colours, because it's the details that matter. Whether it's airflow perfection, just that right shade of RGB, or the tactile click of a mechanical switch. This isn't just performance, it's personality. We don't mass produce, we obsess, we test, we tweak, we retest, and then we sign it, because we stand by it. Whether you're a gamer pushing for that extra frame, a content creator chasing smooth renders, or a researcher training for the future, your machine should reflect you. Utopia is more than just PCs. It's about passion, pride and people. From our little corner in Scotland to customers across the world, we're not just building computers, we're building trust, and we're doing it one masterpiece at a time. And that's why we ask, every rig has a story. What's yours?